If I were a pretty little bird, I'd never build my nest on the ground. I would build my nest in the highest oak tree, where the wild boys couldn't tear it down. I'm as free a little bird as I can be, a free little bird as I can be, sitting on the roadside a morning all my days, and there's nobody cares for me. If I were a little honeybee, all out through the fields I would roam. I would steal one kiss from my true lover's lips to sweeten the honey in the comb. I'm as free a little bird as I can be, just as free a little bird as I can be, sitting on the roadside a morning all my days, and there's nobody cares for me. If I were a pretty little star, a smiling down on the world, I would shine my light on my true love tonight, and I'd play on her beautiful curls. I'm as free a little bird as I can be, as free a little bird as I can be, sitting on the roadside a morning all my days, and there's nobody cares for me.